Dear students, maths ക്ലാസ്സിലേക്ക് ഏവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ടാലന്റ് ട്യൂഷൻ സെന്ററിന്റെ ഈ മാത്സ് ക്ലാസ് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് വളരെ ഉപകാരപ്രദമായിരിക്കും. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്ന ചാപ്റ്റർ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. അതായത് മാത്സിലെ കാൽക്കുലസ് എന്ന ബ്രാഞ്ചിൽ വരുന്നതാണ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സ്. കാൽക്കുലസ് വാസ് വൺ ഓഫ് ദ മോസ്റ്റ് ബ്യൂട്ടിഫുൾ ബ്രാഞ്ച് ഓഫ് മാത്തമാറ്റിക്സ് ഇൻട്രൊഡ്യൂസ്ഡ് ബൈ സർ ഐസക് ന്യൂട്ടൺ ആൻഡ് ലെബനിസ്. കാൽക്കുലസ് എന്ന ഗണിതശാസ്ത്ര ശാഖ വികസിപ്പിച്ചെടുത്തത് സർ ഐസക് ന്യൂട്ടനും ലെബനിസും കൂടി ചേർന്നാണ്. അതിൽ നമ്മൾ ഇന്ന് പഠിക്കാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സിനെ കുറിച്ചാണ്. എന്താണ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സ്? വാട്ട് ഈസ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സ്? ഫസ്റ്റ് നമുക്ക് അതിൻ്റെ ഡെഫിനിഷൻ പഠിക്കാം. സപ്പോസ് ദാറ്റ് എഫ് ഈസ് എ real valued function. F is a real valued function. Suppose f is a real valued function and a is a point in the domain of definition, then the derivative of f at a is defined as, it is represented by f dash a. This is ഇതിനെ വായിക്കുന്നത് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് എഫ് ഓഫ് എ ആണ്. ഓക്കെ, that is represented by f dash a. f dash a is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a the whole divided by h, provided the limit exists. Okay, the derivative of f of x at a is denoted by f dash a. Okay, f dash a is defined as limit h tends to 0 f of a plus h minus f of a divided by h. Okay, now we can do a problem. Okay, this is the definition of derivative of a function. Okay, this is the definition of derivative of a function. Now our first question is find the derivative at a x equal to 2 of the function f of x equal to 3x. Find the derivative of the function f of x equal to 3x at the point x equal to 2. How to find out? We know that f dash, here a is 2, therefore f dash 2 equal to, we know that f of 2 plus h minus, there is a limit also, limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Okay, that is our f dash 2. What is f dash 2? By the definition we can write limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 divided by h. Okay, now what is f of 2 plus h? We know that f of x is 3x, therefore it will become limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h, that is, here x is replaced by 2 plus h, minus f of 2, here 3 into 2, f of x is replaced by f of 2, that is x is replaced by 2, that is 3 into 2, 6 divided by a. Okay, or the idea. Then this is equal to, here we can write 3 into 2 6. 6 minus 6 is 6 and this term will cancel. Then the remaining is limit h tends to 0, 3 into h, 3h by h. H and h cancel. The remaining answer is 3. 3 is our final answer. Okay, got the idea? I repeat. We want to find out the derivative of the function f of x equal to 3x at the point x equal to 2. First we may write by using our definition f dash 2 equal to limit h tends to 0 f of 2 plus h minus f of 2 by h. Then we know that f of x is 3x. Therefore f of 2 plus h is 3 into 2 plus h minus f of 2. F of 2 will be obtained by replacing x with 2. That is 3 into 2, 6 divided by h. That is equal to limit h tends to 0, 3h by h. H and h cancels. The remaining answer is 3. 3 is our final answer. Okay. Please write down on your notebook. Now we can do another problem. Our next question is, find the derivative of f of x equal to x square. Okay, our next question is, find the derivative of the function f of x equal to x square. Okay, we know that the derivative is f dash x. We know that by definition f dash x equal to x plus h. X is replaced by x plus h. Then we will get f of x equal to, we know that is x square. That is x plus h square minus f of x. That is x square divided by h. This is of the form a plus b the whole square. We know that a plus b the whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Therefore it will become equal to here x square and x square, these two terms cancel. Then the remaining is 2xh plus h square. That is this can be written here. That is limit h tends to 0, 2xh plus h square divided by h. That is equal to limit h tends to 0. h can be taken outside. h ഈ രണ്ട് ടേമിലും ഉള്ളതുകൊണ്ട് h എന്ന ടേം നമുക്ക് കോമൺ ആയിട്ട് എടുക്കാം. Then the remaining is h into 2x plus h divided by h. h and h cancel. Then limit h tends to 0, 2x plus h. That is equal to 2x plus 0. That is equal to 2x. 2x is our final answer. Okay, please write down on your notebook. Next we are studying about algebra of derivative of function. Suppose that we have two functions. First function is f of x and the second function is g of x. Then d by dx of f of x plus if f of x and g of x are two functions, then d by dx of f of x plus g of x equal to okay, that is our first result. The sum of രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷന്റെ സം തുകയായിട്ട് വരുമ്പോൾ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുമ്പോൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുക, രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷനും സെപ്പറേറ്റ് ആയിട്ട് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എടുക്കുക. അതാണ് നമ്മുടെ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഓൾജിബ്ര ഓഫ് ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ്സിലെ ഫസ്റ്റ് കണ്ടീഷനാണിത്. റിമെമ്പർ ദാറ്റ് ഡി ബൈ ഡി എക്സ് ഓഫ് എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് പ്ലസ് ഇ ഓഫ് എക്സ് ഈസ് ഈക്വൽ ടു ഫസ്റ്റ് യു മേ ഫൈൻഡ് ഔട്ട് ദി ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ദ ഫസ്റ്റ് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ plus the derivative of the second function. Then the second property is d by dx of f of x minus g of x, that is equal to d by dx of f of x minus d by dx of g of x. This is our second property. Okay, that means the difference of two functions, its derivative is equal to derivative of the first function minus derivative of the second function. Okay, then it is very important. This is called the product rule. That is, we may find out the derivative of the product of two functions. രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷന്റെ പ്രോഡക്റ്റിന്റെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കുക എന്നുള്ളതാണ് d by dx of f of x into g of x, that is equal to first function into derivative of the second function d by dx of g of x plus second function into d by dx of f of x. Okay, that is the product rule. That is our product rule. The derivative of product of two function is equal to first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first function. That is our product rule. Okay, please write down. Then we are moving to another section, that is called the quotient rule. Quotient rule means we want to find out the derivative of quotient of two functions. Okay, here please write down these three properties on your notebook. Then we can write another one. Another one is also very important, that is d by dx of derivative of quotient of two functions. Here the numerator is f of x, denominator is g of x. Then that is equal to denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into derivative of denominator. The whole divided by denominator square, and this is known as the quotient rule of derivatives. Okay, നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യാണ്, രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷൻ എഫ് ഓഫ് എക്സ് ജി ഓഫ് എക്സ് എന്ന രണ്ട് ഫംഗ്ഷനുകൾ തന്നിരിക്കുകയാണ്. അത് കോഷ്യൻ്റ് ആയിട്ട് എഴുതുകയാണെങ്കിൽ അതിൻ്റെ ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് എങ്ങനെ കണ്ടുപിടിക്കും? ഉത്തരം വളരെ സിമ്പിൾ ആണ്. ഫസ്റ്റ് യു മേ റൈറ്റ് ഡിനോമിനേറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു ഡെറിവേറ്റീവ് ഓഫ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ മൈനസ് ന്യൂമറേറ്റർ ഇൻറ്റു derivative of denominator, the whole divided by denominator square. Remember that here g of x is not equal to 0. Okay, this is very very important. Please write down. This is called the quotient rule of derivatives of two functions. Okay. Another important result is d by dx of x raised to n. d by dx of x raised to n. That means the derivative of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. What is d by dx of x raised to n? n into x raised to n minus 1. Example, d by dx of x raised to 10 equal to 10 into another example, രണ്ട് എക്സാമ്പിളുകളാണ്. ഓർക്കുക ഡിയർ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ്, ഓർക്കുക d by dx of x raised to n എന്താണ്? n into x raised to n minus 1. ഇവിടെ ആദ്യത്തെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യനിൽ x raised to 10, n is replaced by 10, then 10 into x raised to 10 minus 1, that is 10 into x raised to 9. Second case, d by dx of x raised to minus 7. Answer is minus 7 into x raised to minus 7 minus 1, that is minus 7 into x raised to minus 8. Okay, this result is very very important. Okay, please write down on your notebook. Now we can do a problem based on product rule. d by dx of x square into sin x. Find d by dx of x square into sin x. Here is two functions. First function is x square, second function is sin x. We know that the derivative of product of two functions is first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first function. Therefore, it will become, that is equal to, first function is x square into d by dx of second function sin x plus second function into d by dx of first function x square, that is equal to x square into, remember that the derivative of sin x is cos x, x square cos x plus, here is sin x into d by dx of x square. We know that d by dx of x raised to n is n into x raised to n minus 1. Here is 2x. Okay. Therefore, our final answer is x square cos x plus 2x sin x. This is our final answer. The derivative of product of two functions. Remember that first function into derivative of second plus second function into derivative of first function. This is known as the product rule. That is x square into, remember that derivative of sin x is cos x and the derivative of x square is 2x. That is sin x into 2x. Therefore, final answer is x square into cos x plus 2x into sin x. Okay. Now we can do another problem. That is our next question is find the derivative of the function f of x equal to x plus 1 by x. We are applying our quotient rule. What is our quotient rule? First denominator into, that is f dot x equal to first denominator into derivative of numerator minus numerator into d by dx of denominator x divided by denominator square, that is equal to x into d by dx of x plus 1. Derivative of x is 1. Derivative of a constant is 0. Therefore, it is into 1. X into 1 minus x plus 1 into derivative of x, that is also 1 divided by x square, that is equal to x into 1 x minus x, these two terms cancel, then the remaining is minus 1 by x square. That is our final answer, minus 1 by x square. This is the best example for quotient rule. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please write down on your notebook. For more educational videos, please subscribe our channel. Please write down on your notebook.